Hello everyone and welcome to this conversation with Saeed Mohamed Alblooshi, VP of Metering and Revenue Management at Etihad Water and Electricity. Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Thank you, Andrea, for
Thank
welcoming
you.
me.
No, thank you, Saeed. Thank you so much for your time today. We would like to know more about your role within the organization. If you can give us an overview also about how the company's vision support in order to have a smarter and more sustainable utility services.
Great. So this is Saeed Mohamed Alblooshi, Vice President, Metering and Revenue Management. And I am from Etihad Water Electricity, is one of the leading utilities in the region and specifically in United Arab Emirates. Etihad Water and Electricity provides water and electricity services in the north part of Emirates, and that specifically in the Emirates of Ajman, Al Quwain, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, and the central region of Emirate of Sharjah. So Etihad is one of the leading utilities to ensure the pioneering services in electricity and water in these north part of the Emirates.
Before deploying the smart meters, what were the issues that your company was facing?
So as I am responsible in the in Etihad WE to manage the entire advanced metering infrastructure for water and electricity, and also the entire organization's revenue and collection role of responsibility. So Etihad Water and Electricity has started the AMI infrastructure to support the strategical project for the smart grid as well as the smart city. The AMI infrastructure started in partnership with the Enterprise, where we started to replace all of the mechanical meters with smart water meters and electricity meters. We have reached so far to the more than 60% of our electricity meters are communicated, and more than 50% of water meters are communicated. The entire water and electricity meter replacement took place and completed in year 2024. So through the replacement, we were able to deliver a lot of smart services and to digitize a lot of solution within the organization. And Enterprise was one of the main partners for Etihad Water and Electricity to support the accomplishment of this project.
Can we know more about all the implementation process, like especially given the scale of connectivity, like nearly 1 million meters across such, diverse environment?
Yes.
Why Ian Enterprise was the right partner for you during this journey?
So specifically in our infrastructure, we have a variety of different category of customers. We have residential customers, commercial customers, and industrial customers. These type of customers are scattered over different type of high-rise buildings, sheds, and industrial plants. So through the implementation of smart meters and then smart meters communication infrastructure with the support of E&, Enterprise, we were able to minimize the number of complaints that we used to have from the customers, and that also reduced the dissatisfaction rate by the customers. We as a utility were able also to increase the number of smart services that we are providing to the customers, and as well as also we were able to increase the level of digital solutions that are provided within the internal department within the organization. The dedicated departments within the organization were able to serve the customers proactively through the smart meters data that we used to have 24/7. It's almost real-time data that we are getting from the infrastructure from the field all the way to our backend system. And these data are being used 24/7 to ensure the service availability to all of our customers.
How this partnership will support the UAE smart city and sustainable agenda?
Great. So UAE is always leading in providing best AI-based solutions, and the main pipeline to provide to feed the AI solution is the AMI infrastructure, where we are getting the timely 24/7 data from the infrastructure. These data are being utilized to provide customer better insights about their consumption, which is helping the customers to have more energy conservation as per the directions of the UAE towards sustainability. It is also helping the organization Etihad to ensure that we are reducing the commercial and technical losses over the network through the different activities such as non-revenue water project activities by doing the water mass balance over the network. So there are multiple activities that technically we are doing through these data, and we are providing a full transparency to the customers through the real-time data that we are having.
That is amazing. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you, Andrea.